Amazing Grace. Let's do it. So, as always, search in Google Mr. Velez, and then you're gonna find Mr. Velez Virtual Music. Click there. It's gonna take you to my website. I'm gonna go to Music Tech, Song Maker, and I'm updating all of this all the time, and I'm adding more every time. We're gonna go to Amazing Grace. So click there. It's gonna take you here. Here you can open the Song Maker app. Here you can record. This is the tutorial. Another app to record, Screencastify. And please remember to open your Google Doc and save everything every once in a while, at least every 10 minutes, 5 minutes, so you don't lose it, because you don't want to lose anything. Okay, so you can have it there saved, so when you have to share with others, then you have it. So Amazing Grace, this is more advanced. It remixed in 3-part instrument. The song is just one section with 16 bars, and you're gonna change all that is in this picture. 16 bars, split beat per bar will be 3 meter in G, 3 octave, leave it in major, and then you're gonna copy the melody following the pictures, and we have this time chords. So we have the melody, we have chords with bass, and then we have the drums. I cover chords on season number 2 on Song Maker, and if you haven't checked it out, then check out my season number 2. I'm currently doing season number 3, but I cover chords in season number 2, and here you have the 3 notes for chord, and you have the letters, and C chord will be these 3, D chord will be these 3, E, and so far, and then by color. Then you can check it out. So chords are 3 notes, and here we can have one chord doing the first note, and then the other 2 notes next. So copy the melody, then the bass could be like a piano with bass and chords, and we can change this with, you know, step up or step down, or some note meter around. We can cover that. I'm gonna do some example. You can change the rhythm of the chords. Remember, we're not changing the melody, this is a remix, but we can change the rhythm of the chords or the drums. And the drums, remember, leave the foundation, and you can add more around. Okay, when we're done with all of this, if you want to go advanced with drums, then you have this section here to split the beat in from 2 to 4, so you can have more notes, 16 notes, to work with the drums. But let's keep it simple for first. So I'm gonna pretend you are done doing your you copy bar 1 to bar 4, bar 5 to bar 8, bar 9 to bar 12. Remember, make sure you're putting it in the right place with the right color. Make sure you have 3 beat. The change settings, you know, change the setting for 3 beat, or it's gonna be messed up. And after you are done with all of that, I'm gonna pretend you are done. Then I'm gonna go to the part that I'm gonna be changing the notes here to do walk down or walk up. Okay, the bass, leave it there, but then you can change the notes at the end, okay, to go a little bit more. See, for example, here I can do a step down, and remember, if I do that here, I can do that in other place that I can have. See here, it will be the same note, so I'm not gonna do it here. I might do something like that. I had to listen if this is gonna work. If not, I had to change it, so check that out. But here is a good place that I can do a couple of, or maybe put this one here to be more like a walk down. See, step down and listen. So let's gonna listen. Huh? Okay, so that works. Let's stop. That is working. listen, and correct. If that doesn't sound great, then keep checking. Now let's go to the drum. This is the foundation. Bass on 1, snare on 3. Bass on 1, snare on 3. Okay, remember this is big 2. You can see by the color, this is bar 1, this is bar 2, this is bar 3. Don't get confused. Now after the foundation, I can add stuff around, and I'm not going to touch the foundation, but I can add. If I like this pattern, I'm going to keep that pattern. Let me listen to see. If I don't like it, I'm going to change it and find what is that you like. Okay, so once you are done, and because this is one section, then you can keep that pattern that you are building in the entire song, because this is just one section. And the interesting part will be here, the basses and couple of notes that you can change around with the chords. That will be nice. Okay, so let's go now to the, if you are done and you want to go advanced with drums, then you can change to from 2 beat to 2 split beat to 4. So I'm gonna do that right now so you can see it in action. Here, the split beat, I'm gonna go to 4. Now I'm gonna have 16 notes. So it's gonna be more crazy, see? So I have more notes to get more like very deep, but don't get too crazy. So see, I put it here, then I have to put it here. And listen. But what if I put it here? Like more tie. So don't get too crazy. There you go. See, so a little more trap. But that's the idea, okay? So when you're done, make sure to click save, copy the link, as always, and then go to your Google Doc and keep saving and write down what version are you saving. So I will have to then write here, this is my version with 16 notes or whatever I'm doing. But that's the idea. Let me close this up. So as always, I hope this was helpful, guys. Leave me some comments, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.